What is going on, Dingoos? I hope you're having a fantastic day today. I kind of started a new series, not just today. We did another video probably a week ago, talking about the best yields on your Ethereum. Today, we're going to talk about the best yields on your stablecoins. And stablecoins is what I think we will all retire on. Why? Because guess what? We don't know what the price of Bitcoin, what the price of Ethereum will be, even though I think Bitcoin will eventually be the stablecoin, the best stablecoin that kind of just goes up with inflation. But that's not today, guys. That's not today. That's probably 10 years down the road. But today, best yields on stablecoins, you can definitely earn 30 to 40% relatively safely on your stablecoins. But what do you need? What's the end goal? Is 10% on a milli. So you need $1 million and you need to earn 10% at least. That's $100K a year. That's enough money to, for most people, right? For most people to say, hey, I can do what I want with my time. And at the end of the day, that's everyone's goal, I believe. And today, this video is going to help you reach that goal, which is awesome, right? So let's go ahead and jump right into it. And the first application and the first protocol is Ribbon Finance. It is an option strategy vault, which basically means they automate a strategy that sells and buy. I don't think there's any buying options. They're all selling. Covered call, which is buying. So they're just a option strategy, right? And if you don't know what an option is, it's a derivative. It's basically insurance. Car insurance is a derivative. Basically, it's just insurance of market risk, right? So the 37% on your stable coins and 42% on your stable coins, right? So pretty good, 35 million under management, and we got 7 million in this one under management. So go with this one if you do. And this is a put selling strategy. So what they do is they give somebody else the right to sell Ethereum at a set price. So say you buy a put option, right? I'm selling you a put option. I'm selling you insurance. I give you the right. It's just a contract between me and you. I give you the right to sell your Ethereum to me at a set price by a certain date. And there you go. You give me a premium, and if it doesn't hit, I keep that premium and you buy a new insurance, right? So I'm basically just your insurance on market risk, right? So 42% to be an insurance company, basically. Which, hey, insurance companies are rich as hell. So be your own insurance company and sell put options. That's what we're talking about. But that's what you do. That's what you do. But anyways, 42%, good stuff from Ribbon Finance. Next is Rari Capital. Let me go ahead and switch networks. Like, hey, I will just keep this stuff in because it's good to learn. People that are new to the space kind of want to learn how to just interact with all these different protocols. Rari Capital's on the Ethereum network, so you just go ahead and take your digital wallet and switch over to Ethereum, and then you can see I'm connected to a whole bunch of other networks as well, right? So this is on the Ethereum network, and if you interact with the protocol and you're on the wrong network, they will just say, hey, switch networks. You go ahead and switch, boom, 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 you're good to go. Next is Rari Capital, one of my favorite DeFi projects. They have 48% on DAI, which is a stable coin. 48, I've seen this fluctuate between 25 and 50%. USDC is at 38%, guys. So great APYs with their pools, and Rari Capital is a phenomenal project. They're creating fuse pools, which is basically you can create your own money market with any digital assets, which is mind-boggling. How much can you sell a money market for, a successful money market? Like, you literally can, mind-boggling stuff. I love Rari Capital. Definitely get your hands on some Rari governance tokens if you got the capital for the long-term hold, for sure, for sure. Next is Alpha. Let's just go scroll through them. I know I've shown you Alpha many times, but I definitely like Alpha Finance. They're deploying on Arbitrum, which is another layer, the layer 2 solution for Ethereum. But right now we're looking at Ethereum. So let's just go ahead and scroll through it. We got the Curve Tri Pool, which is USDT, USDC, and DAI. So this is stablecoin earning 37%, guys. 38%, right? Pretty good. If you want to hold Ethereum alongside a stablecoin, you can earn 70, 75%, right? So 80%. So good percentage, right? Obviously, this is based off volume, right? So most of it is yield. This one's yield farming, but this one's trading fees. So you can see where they're getting their APYs from Alpha APY. So there you go. Some great APYs here, right? So you got stablecoins just 21% trading. Okay, alpha. So you can see where they're getting their APYs from, which is very transparent. Obviously, you can kind of find out how they're gaining all these APYs across all these different protocols. But anyways, the next one is Olympus DAO, and this is a little different, a little kind of different mindset of what a stablecoin is. The decentralized reserve currency financial tools to help you grow your assets. So basically, this is a rebasing token, and if you don't know what that is, I'm not going to explain it. I can quickly explain it. It's basically a peg, and instead of changing the price of things, it changes the circulating supply, right? So basically every day at the time of the rebase, instead of changing the price, it changes the supply, right? So there's two variables that can change at any given time to meet demand, and that is the price or the supply. And a rebasing token changes the supply rather than the price. So this is a different stablecoin structure, and it's very interesting to see, and I don't know what's going to happen, but it's definitely something to keep your eye on for sure. 7,400% sounds like crazy, and it is crazy, but just keep your eye on it. Let's see what happens over the next couple months, and because something's going to happen, because we'll just see. I mean, it's always fun. The people that have been in this, there's almost $1 billion in this pool, guys. So not a little amount of money. A lot of money's in this pool. A lot of people trust this. I trust it. But we'll see what happens. That's all I gotta say. This is interesting stuff, to say the least. But now let's, instead of thinking about a rebase token, let's go ahead and think about different stable coins, right? So US dollars, most stable coins are kind of US dollar stable coins, but let's change our mindset a little bit. Let's change it a little bit, and let's think about different currencies. We got the Great Britain pound earning 44%. Obviously, these are new. I think these pools came out like yesterday, so there's actually no assets in the vault. So 44%. We got the CHF, which I don't know what the hell that is. And then we got the Japanese yen, we got the Australian dollar, we got the franc. So actually the franc already has 28 mil under management. So actually the franc has been one of the strongest, in the euro. We got the euro as well. So hey, there we go. Two very strong currencies over the, I mean, I actually feel more comfortable holding the franc than I do the US dollar at this point in time, to be honest with you. But hey, it is what it is. We got the Tri Crypto, which is ETH, Bitcoin, and USDT, 20%. So decent stuff for sure. Yearn Finance is always great. I will always keep an eye on it because it's always great, guys. Next, we're going to Polygon. Polygon is just another network. Basically, what you do, go over here. Okay, I'll show you what happens. So Balancer on Polygon, right? So we're on Polygon. They're on Ethereum and Arbitrum. But let's just go to Polygon. Boom, boom, boom. We're going to switch to Polygon. So we're going to go down here. Matic and Polygon, same thing. Boom. And then connect your wallet. No. Okay, so some of these websites do the little tricks. So let's switch back to Polygons. All right, guys. Yearn Finance pulling out tricks, man. See, now Yearn Finance. They do the automated switch if you have it in a tab, which I don't like. But 31% on what assets? Wrapped Bitcoin, USDC, and wrapped ETH. So once again, if you plan on holding wrapped Bitcoin and wrapped ETH, which I think is probably the foundation of a lot of portfolios, you might as well earn 31%. 31% is not a small amount, man. 31% is huge, right? And now let's move to Beefy Finance. Why? Because hey, it's great, man. It's great. 50%. These are just yield aggregators. So on each of these networks, there's different APYs because there's different volumes and different variables, right? So on all these networks, these yield aggregators find the best yields on the network and kind of aggregates them, right? They aggregate them and put them in one resource so you can scroll down and see the best APYs for your assets. So that's what's so great about these yield aggregators. And that you can earn. So I actually have some money in this pool. I don't have it boosted. A boost is basically a new project that wants to kind of make a name for itself, but sometimes a little scammy. It's always risk to reward, guys. Make your own decisions. do your own research. If you trust a project and you think 20%, 25% more APY is worth it, go ahead. If it's not, don't do it. Hey, it's your money. Make the decisions. Hey, see that? Just went up a little bit, guys. Just went up a little bit. But anyways, 23% on your Try Crypto, which is actually 5 assets on this occasion, but it has almost 9 million in total value locked. DAI USDC USDT is sitting at 40%. With it boosted 21% otherwise. And now let's move over to Arbitrum. So once again, let's go ahead and switch. So go switch to Arbitrum. Boom, boom, boom. We're good to go. Let's go ahead and switch. And now let's look through these assets, these APY. So once again, if you like to hold Ethereum as well, 184% on your ETH USDC. We got MIM ETH, which is MIM is also another stable coin, 106%. We got Try Crypto, which 81%, which is phenomenal. And then Chain Linky, Stinky Linky. I like myself some Chain Linky, guys. And then Arbitrum's not really built out. It's very new. Very new. And now what is the end game, guys? This is the end game, right? This is the end game, okay? We need $1 million. We need north of $1 million, probably 1.5 million, maybe even 2 mil. Obviously, more the better. I think 1.5 million is the goal. Because if you're young, you don't know what's going to happen in the future. You need a bigger safety net. But something like Gemini, Celsius, I'm in New York, so it's Gemini basically for me. Whatever gives you the highest APY on your stablecoin safely that also has a credit card, right? So that's the end game. Earn 8% on your stablecoins. Boom. It has no fees to transfer to US dollars, right? And then they also have a credit card. So that's the end game, guys. 8% APY on your stablecoins and then 3% cashbacks on your purchases. That's the end goal. And only spend your never spend your principal, always spend your interest. So that's the end game, guys. Screw the banks. They are earning all the money on you. Even 8% is pretty low when you look at these other ways to earn passive income, right? That I've been showing you throughout the last couple weeks, pretty much every video, right? So the end game is to spend with a credit card the interest you earn on your stable coins. That's the end game. And if you enjoy that, and if you want to get there with me, go ahead and shoot me a sub. Because I'm sure we all will be there in 5 years, 110%, no questions asked. I mean, 5 years is really all you need. You can make $1 million in 5 years if you do the right things. Anyways, follow me, shoot me a sub, follow me on Twitter. All the links are in my description if you want to be a Dingooo VIP. Dingooo token is down to 250, which is unfortunate, but hey, it's the market. What are you going to do, right? But anyways, community rewards are coming up probably in a couple weeks, maybe in 2 weeks here, and already $150,000 back to the community, which is great. And if you want to go ahead and coin join, do a little coin join to get the Dingooo VIP, go to the Dingooo Gate. Once you have 5 tokens in your Rally account, go ahead and type in coin join like just this fellow did right here, and then you're good to go. So if you want to do that, do it. I have a couple PDFs in my Dingooo VIP with a bunch of great information, airdrop information, alpha information. Go do that if you would like. If not, do what you want. Just make sure you sub and stay up to date with Dingooo Crypto. Why not? All right, guys. Have a great one. Peace out and Dingle. Have a good one.